Hey doll friends, welcome back! Today we are making a special doll for a swap hosted by RetrodollsUS. The theme is Carnival, which I really love, so I hope this is going to be fun for you as well. Also make sure you watch until the end of the video to see who my swap partner is. I used my favorite Ever After High doll Farrah Fairy, and as you have seen, I've cut all her hair and removed her face paint with lacquer thinner. Like I mentioned, this swap is hosted by RetrodollsUS, so I will be using a mix of these monofiber colors in Look and Nostalgia, which is available on their shop. And with the magic of YouTube, you have skipped a part of me struggle while rooting, and here's a fully rooted head. I also poured over boiling water so the hair lays flat. Now let's work on her face up. Fun fact, this is actually the second time I did her face. I ordered my hair late, so to save time, I thought I'd finish her face up and clothes first and reroot later. Since I have very little experience on rooting dolls, I thought it would work, but as soon as I plugged my first hair, her face cracked and I had to start over. It was a heartbreaking learning experience, so take it from me guys, reroot first before you do the face up. I swear it's way easier to clean up stains on the hairline than to fix a cracked or peeling face up. Anyway, like I always mention on my videos, the list of stuff I use are on the description box below, so check it out. I try to put everything you might want to know in there. I've also lightly blushed and added sparkles to her body and painted her panties gold. My partner wanted a sweet pastel-y doll, so I made an outfit that will match her pink and gold makeup. I did not have elaborate plans for her hair, so I made this mini top hat to match her outfit. Originally, the theme of my doll is a cotton candy vendor, but after watching The Greatest Showman, I decided my doll would be a trapeze queen like Zendaya, which is why I made her a glitzy corset, and for a fluffy touch, I added a pancake tutu. After fully dressing her is when I added her lashes and gloss. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more custom doll videos. Tap that notification bell so you get notified as soon as I post something new. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Mozekyto. Now, it's time to reveal who my secret partner is.
Oh my god! Oh my god, we have so much candy! Oh my god, this is amazing. I love candy.
This girl is now safely home with Moonlight Jewel in Germany. I've sent her with a bunch of my favorite candy and some crafting supplies too.
Such a beautiful box. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. I already see her. Oh my god. Holy madness. So that is my swap doll, and I have no words. Just thank you so much, Mozekyto. This doll is like everything I could wish for and more. She's just so beautiful, and she will definitely find a good place in my showcase. Oh my god, I'm so happy.